Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get the voice ID of any voice in Elevenlabs. If you're using Elevenlabs and want to get the voice ID of a specific voice, this is essential for developers, API users, or anyone working with custom integrations. The voice ID is a unique identifier that allows you to reference a specific voice when generating speech programmatically. To get started, log into your Elevenlabs dashboard. From the main menu, navigate to the Voices section. Here, you'll see a list of available voices, including default voices provided by Elevenlabs and any custom voices you've created or cloned. Go to the voice you want to copy the ID of and click on the three dots. Then click on Copy Voice ID button. Now the voice ID will be copied to your clipboard. From here onward, all you have to do is go to the search bar and paste it by clicking on Ctrl-V. And as you can see, the voice you want will be displayed. This ID is what you'll use in your API calls when generating audio. For example, when sending a text-to-speech request, you'll include the voice ID parameter to ensure the correct voice is used. For a more precise method, especially if you're using the API, go to the Elevenlabs developer documentation. You can make a simple API request to retrieve a list of all available voices associated with your account. When you send this request using your API key, the response will return structured data that includes each voice's name along with its unique voice ID. It's important to keep your API key secure and avoid sharing your voice IDs publicly if they're tied to private or cloned voices. Also, double-check that you're copying the correct ID, as even a small typo can cause your API request to fail. Retrieving the voice ID is a simple but critical step when building voice-powered applications, automations, or content workflows with Elevenlabs. Once you have it, you can consistently generate audio in the exact voice you want, whether for narration, AI agents, audiobooks, or custom projects. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.